Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to play this game really quick in case for some reason it's confusing to you. So after you watched the video about the difference between area and perimeter, this is the game that I want you to use to practice area and perimeter. So it says that there's a party being planned and you're designing the party, the room. Okay, so you're going to click this button right here, let's go. And then there's different levels. So as we are working, okay, here's the directions up here. It's party time and you're in charge of designing the floor plan. Click and drag the corners of the colored squares to create the room sections that have the correct area and perimeter. And it says there are 6 different floor plans in all. The dimensions of this room are 5 units by 10 units. So as I am working, okay, so I see my yellow one, which is the seesaw. It has an area of 8 square units and a perimeter of 18 units. So what I need to think is, okay, area is length times width. So what kind of a room or what kind of dimensions do I need? Okay, length times width, what times what will give me 8. I think 4 times 2 will give me 8. So now I'm going to take the corner, not that one. I'm going to take the corner of this guy and I'm going to drag it. I want to make a 4 by 2. Okay, so that gives me 4 by 2. So that's an area of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I need to check my perimeter. My perimeter is 18 units. So remember, perimeter is all the way around. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 by 2 gets me to the area of 8, but it doesn't get me to a perimeter of 18. So it can't be a 4 by 2. I wonder if I did 8 by 1, if that would work. Let's try that. Oop, that's 10. Let's go to 8. Okay, so 8 by 1 would give me an area of 8 because 8 times 1 is 8. And then perimeter of 18 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so good. It has to be an 8 by 1 to be correct for the seesaw. So then I'm going to move to my ice cream bar, which is this one here, and it needs an area of 10 square units and a perimeter of 22 units. So how do I get an area of 10? I need to do length times width. So length times width, I could do 5 times 2. Let's try that. Okay, 5 times 2. Okay, a 5 by 2 area. Notice it's overlapping the seesaw. I think that's okay. So that gives me an area of 10. Let's check our perimeter. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we only have 14, so that's not going to work. Maybe I need to do a different area. Okay, so you can see what you're supposed to do. First, I start with area and I think what times what gives me that area. And then once I make that square, I can count all the way around to see if the perimeter matches. So whenever you're done, you'll click this check it, and you can see that mine was not correct. When you're finished, you click check it again, and then if you get it all correct, then it should move you on to the next level. This is a really challenging game, so it's really just to practice, and that's it. All right, if you have any questions about it, ask your parents, send me a message. Either one works. Have fun.